Kaya pala masakit yung likod ko, doon yung pala tinustusok. Yan, good morning. Tapos ka na, Maricoy Lori? Ayan, good morning pa dito kasi 11:55 pa. Kulang pa ng 5 minutes para mag-good afternoon. Kaya morning pa. Kaya gura-gura na. Ano pa hihintayin? Live na. Live habang may buhay. Ay, naku. Well, live while still alive. Yan, happy Friday everyone. Friday. Anong meron sa Friday? Wala. Sim lang naman yung buhay. Nasa bahay. Holiday. Friday is holiday. Ang sarap maggala-gala. Pero wala ka namang maggalaan. Wala kang mapuntahan. So nothing changed. What is there in Friday? Wala. Nasa sulok pa rin ang 4 na sulok ng bahay. Yes, shoutout dyan, Kuya Adi, Sukardi. Ayan, thank you. Juma Mubarak. Kuya Adi. Hello, host, kumusta? Yan.
How many times the phone was ringing? You cannot answer?
What is ringing?
What is ringing? You don't have?
Well, you need to ask me. If you are the one who will answer. So, what's the difference?
She was in the shower.
If you are the one who will answer, so?
Why? I'm eating.
Eating.
I couldn't hear. My door is closed.
Kana. Go out.
Shut up.
Stupid boy. Why you care? Let them call and call. Nobody will answer. What's the problem? It's not my business to answer her phone. Kulit yung mga anak niya, panay tawag ng tawag. Ayaw kong sagutin. Useless naman sagutin ko. Pareho lang naman. Hindi makausap yung nanay nila. Naliligo. Long time no see. Kakagaling lang yan kay Adrian. Long time no see. Just a minute. Yan, Kuya Adi, good afternoon. Kapi-kapi. Sabi ni Kula sa Mix Vlog. Kanya-kanyang alis yung mga tao. Ako lang ang hindi nakakaalis ng bahay. Pambihirang buhay.